Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by parking the Camry on level ground and engaging the parking brake. Place wheel chocks for safety. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent airbag deployment and electrical shorts, then wait 3 minutes for capacitors to discharge. Wear gloves and have a partner. A Camry door typically weighs about 35 pounds, so you will need help to lift it safely. Gather sockets, 10 mm and 14 mm, a plastic trim tool, a 7 mm screwdriver, and a torque wrench set to 54 Nm for reinstallation. Open the door fully and lower the window if operable. Use a plastic trim tool to pry off the small trim pieces and the triangular mirror cover, prying carefully to avoid breaking clips. Remove visible screws with a 7 mm screwdriver and a 10 mm socket from behind the armrest, door pull, and along the panel perimeter. Pry the panel free from the door frame by releasing the push clips, then tilt the panel upward to clear the lock rod. Disconnect the 7-pin connector and power switch harness before removing the panel completely. Support the door with a jack or a partner and a padded block to prevent paint damage. Remove any plastic hinge covers first. Loosen and remove the two 14 mm hinge bolts at the bottom hinge, then remove the upper hinge bolts while the door remains supported. Disconnect any remaining cables and the 7-pin connector as you lower the door slightly. Lift the door straight off the hinges and place it on a padded surface to avoid scratching. Reinstall by aligning hinges, snugging bolts, torquing hinge bolts to 54 Nm.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.